Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to make the text larger on your iPhone. It's a super easy fix, so let's get right to it. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Display and Brightness. Tap on that. Okay, now look for Text Size, and tap on that option. You'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. By default, it's usually in the middle. If you want to make the text smaller, slide that slider to the left. And of course, if you want to make the text bigger, just slide it to the right. You'll see the text above the slider change in size as you adjust it. See? We've already made our text bigger. Now, if we go back to the previous screen, you can see that all of the text on your iPhone has successfully been enlarged. Now you can go back to using your iPhone just like you normally would, but with text that's easier to read. And that's all there is to it. So, if this video was helpful for you, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.